this video, we're gonna show how to apply a Fomo Store transparent skin on your iPhone. To apply this skin, you need two things: a well-lit workspace, a bit of a patience. Don't worry if the device is not shown in the video. The procedure will be the same for all devices. The order will include in your package are one transparent back skin, one camera lens skin, frame skin, microfiber cleaning cloth, alcohol wipe, dust remover sticker and squeegee. Now let's start with preparing your device. Use the alcohol wipe to clean off any remaining dirt or oil. Wipe down your phone with the microfiber cloth to remove dust and fingerprints. Apply the dust removal sticker to eliminate any lingering dust particles. Now applying the back skin. Gently remove the back skin and carefully align the skin with the edges and corners of your device. Use your thumb or squeegee to smooth out the skin, ensuring it adheres properly and no air bubbles form. Press firmly to secure the skin. Now installing the camera skin. Position the skin over the camera lenses and flash. Make sure it aligns correctly. Gently press down with your fingertips to secure it in a place. Now attaching the frame skin. Align the frame skin with the ringer switch, volume buttons and SIM tray. Press along the frame with your thumb to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat on the opposite side. Align it with the power button. From the bottom section, place it over the charging port and speaker grill. Smooth it out with a gentle swiping motion to remove any air pockets. Double check all edges for a perfect fit. Important notes: minor air bubbles or marks are normal and will disappear as the material settles within 48 hours, leaving your phone with a smooth, invisible finish. The skin is slightly smaller at the edges to allow for minor placement and adjustment. The skin may take up to 2 days to fully cure and settle on the surface. Your phone is now protected with Fomo Store transparent skin, so seamless you won't even notice it's there.